Everyone, so I got this drain right here. Whenever we're using the water, it'll just slowly fill up. It'll drain super slow. I also noticed when I push this bottom piece down here is supposed to come up, and it barely comes up. So I'm going to try to fix why it's draining slow and maybe get it to where when I push this down it pops up more. Maybe like, I don't know, like a ½ inch more or something. That'd be good. When you go to fix the drain, you may notice you can't just pull it up and come out. You might be able to unscrew the top, but even then the whole thing won't come out. So I'm going to show you what kind of setup I got on mine. It is this type of setup right here. I know these lines right here, just don't pay any attention to this line. It's just this little mechanism right here with the holes in it, and that just goes straight up to the lever up there that I was messing with. So what we're going to do is just unscrew this right here. You probably do it with your hands, and there might be water in it, so just, you know, be ready in case there's some water. Yeah, I can just unscrew this with my hands. Alright everyone, so we unscrew this. It'll be a little gross probably, so we're going to pull this out like that. Okay, and it would be a good idea to maybe have someone watch the top. Well, actually, I guess it doesn't matter if you keep this top piece on. Yeah, maybe I was gonna say before you unscrew that, put something underneath here so it doesn't go flat. Because now I gotta get it up somehow. Not a big deal. I could just come back here, push this in, and then push it up. Yeah, there we go. So yeah, just use it to push it up. Not a big deal. Go ahead and grab it real quick. Okay, I had to use two hands. Okay, so pull this up, and nasty stuff. I hate drain blockage. So what you want to do is you want to definitely clean that up. Nasty. Probably get like a coat hanger, like a piece of it, and you can get everything out, or just whatever you got to get in there and pull all that mess out. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that off camera. So I made like a little hook tool just out of some like I think this is for like an electric fence or something. Anyways, just get something like this. I went down the drain, pulled it up. It was really disgusting, big, nasty. It's just really nasty. Threw it away. Drain's good now. So now when you put if you have like this style, I'll clean it real good, but there's like a square part on it, and you're gonna put the square part towards the lever, so that when you put it in, when we go back down here, this guy, you could just plug this guy right into that square part of the lever, and you could even try it going back and forth to see if it's working like that. Okay, so I'm just moving it. So yeah, so that'll be good. So then what you would do is you would just screw this back into place, and then you'd be good to go. Your drain should be locked. If you're having trouble with this guy right here going up and down, if this guy is coming up and out or just dropping down, there's an adjuster up here. This guy right here, that's an actual adjuster that's on the rod. This little rod coming down is that guy up there. This is just a screw, a hand screw, so you can just turn it to tighten it. Maybe it's loose, maybe that's why it's dropping in and out. You can also adjust the height of this. Adjust the height of that however you want it. Right now it's just fine where I'm at. This is working fine. And it's a little high, I might lower it, but everything's working good now. And yeah, that's it, guys. So thanks for watching. Any questions, you can put them in the comments, and I'll get back to you as best I can. Bye.